Welcome back YouTube to another amazing. Oh, don't go off the road, Eddie. Alright, listen, man. Welcome to another beautiful, amazing day, man. If y'all new to that channel, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And also make sure y'all drop with the seatbelt on. Safety first, like Dora said. You feel me?
So we can be safe.
So today I am trying to get my Glock 43X.
No, God!
We're trying to get the universe to flow on my side today. Today has been a good day. This is my first day out of the house, so we're gonna see how it's go. It's not safe for me to be recording and driving, so I'm not gonna do that too much. And I'm gonna get with y'all in just a moment. So once I get to the store, pick up D-Roy Nation. You already know what time it is. You hear me? Alright, man, we got D-Roy in the building, but it's like we keep catching the camera at the wrong fucking timing, bro. So I was just explaining to the channel that we trying to get this Glock 43X today, and we're gonna get it because the universe is on our side today. You feel me? And I told Dad, bro, like he can't shoot better than me, bro. I told him he can't shoot better than me, bro. Bro, I'm trying to tell him, bro. Listen, once I get this Glock 43X, I can't wait to get to Georgia because do you not understand the modifications? Like, alright, so I know it's not, you shouldn't always modify your gun. I'm modifying my gun to like the way I want it. I want it how I want it to shoot. You feel me? My thing has got to be on point. You feel me? I want to be like, I want to make my own spec ops gun. I don't want to use no factory or default equipment. I want to use my own. So that's why I've been doing my own research, and I'm gonna have to do a lot of test runs. I'm gonna buy and go through a lot of failures, but that's why I'm doing it, so then I can put that information out there for y'all. You feel me? So, but listen, man, I need to get my shooting right so I can compete with them big YouTubers with the shooting, because when I move down there, bro, I want all the smoke. Who got the best aim? I want all the smoke. All the YouTubers, I want who got the best aim, bro. I want all the smoke, bro. That's simple. So I'm gonna get my aim right while I'm still up north, because when I go down south, it's over. And we already know D-Roy not fucking with me. We already know that shit. Especially with the 5.56, bro. You know how hard it is to get. You going, bro? You go
5.56.
You gonna have to get your aim. You gonna have to really practice on that gun to like get your aim right, bro. Cause like, you feel me? That's some lethal, but. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. My day off, bro. My
day off today?
Yeah.
Nigga, look what happened. Nigga, this what happens when you play with your gun and then you got the shit open. And then you got the fucking shit closed and your fucking finger.
That's what I'm talking. That's why you don't need a handgun
nigga,
right now, bro.
Hurt.
You can't play with this AR like that.
That's the only thing I did though.
So
I'll be right back.
Alright. Ew, bro. Come on, man. She had a baby in on her. She's ugly as hell. Come on, man. I forgot he like feet, his little dirty ass. I'm about to pull up over here type shit. Let me get in here, little homie. Sit your ass right there. Yeah, let me get right in it. Right here, you feel me? Alright, so we got
92, I guess.
Okay, I know this one.
Yeah,
Mine's stainless.
Did
you?
Yeah.
Who'd you buy it off of me?
No, it was the other guy.
man,
Bigger guy.
let's go, bro.
Brian Sean.
Can you take this off?
Yeah, let me get your price on this first and see if you want to sell it to us or not.
Okay.
All right, trade it. You want to trade it?
Yeah, trade it in.
What are you trading it on?
Glock.
What?
Let's go with that.
Do you have one?
No, not at all.
No, sir.
Yep.
He said, look at the sight. That's, look, I was looking at one of the.
Yeah, they got you right here,
The Glockies. Glockies.
They got the, hey, look at the barrel, nigga. Look at the barrel.
Yeah, that thing.
Nigga, that shit's sexy.
That thing.
I know they got 5.7s though. I seen them.
Hey yo, look at this right here.
Which one is that?
Yeah, that don't look ugly.
Nigga, all these.
I like this right here. This right here. That's nice. That's nice. Where the FN's at? Right here. Oh, this FN right here, 5. They got 2 of them for 5.
Which one? These ones? Or these ones? Yeah, FN right here.
I like this. I like this tan one right there.
That's what I'm saying. That's.
Where the Glocks at?
Got the pocket rocket.
Where the Glocks at?
I don't know.
Hey, yo, the FN next, bro. If that don't work,
probably got him
he
in the
trying
back.
to test you up. So come here, cause you gotta have your gun knowledge. These things right here,
That's a Gen 3.
45.
Which one is that one?
That's the
Oh,
Glock
that's the
40.
43. That's the one you want, right?
Yeah.
That little LCY you want. That's one small. Nigga, if I get Glocks, this bitch right here. Nigga, I'm blowing somebody.
Oh no.
This Glock right here, ugly.
I'm capping.
What?
Yo, hold on, we about to show get the. They want 6. Alright, fuck that. We not getting that shit.
Which one you getting?
The FN.
You got the FN?
Yeah. No, man, we want the FN 502 TAC. 20. This is a 22.
That shit is sexy.
It's a 22 LR. Yeah, I want this bitch. Right?
You want the Glock?
Nah, fuck that shit. I want the FN really. Fuck that shit. Look at these FNs though.
That's more combat too.
Damn, these
Look at
FNs.
the John. Look at the. Did a barrel. I wanted a pistol like that.
Yeah.
The barrel hanging out there fucking.
Yeah, we want that FN. Look at that. They don't got the 43 yet.
Look at this, bro. Nigga, this is Smith & Wesson. This is a 460. Nigga, this takes shotgun rounds. You shoot that, it's over. That's like 1200.
To your wrist snap, you bugging.
That's
Bro,
the type of shit.
look at
Look at this bird though. Look at these birds down here, nigga. That shit's sexy. $1,530. Shit's sexy.
For the Gen 5s, they want 7 for the Gen 5. Bro. Hey yo, bro, it is cheaper at
That's the 27. That's the used one.
Gen is that?
They got niggas in here.
Put it in the upright. Alright, man, so long story short, your boy did not get his Glocky, but I did come home with something better, man. But at the end of the day, about to grab me some targets, get my aim right, because D-Roy swear he can shoot like me, and we know he can. But y'all just stay tuned, and then I'm gonna do a little review on y'all, man. A little review for y'all, man. Alright, YouTube, man, so I'm back at the crib, man, and we have our 22 LR FN 502 FN 22 LR caliber, man. This is a beautiful gun. I would love to go shoot it today. And get a video. It came with 2 clips, a 10 round and a 15 round. It's super light compared to my Taurus. So the comparisons, my Taurus is heavier, but I'm not aiming at you guys, but it's very light. Sights are lined up. I can do so much with this gun. This gun is roughly around $600, but I traded in my AR for it. So but appreciate you guys for tuning in. and I got more bangers, man. I'm definitely happy I got this gun today. I was looking to get a Glock 43X, but I could not find one. They only had a Glock 43. They had Glock 19s. They do have a Glock 20. I think the Glock 20 will be my next purchase. I would like a Glock 20, so but y'all just stay tuned, man. Beauty, man. This is the case right here. So can't wait to let this thing rip. Alright, man, so we are going to the range. Mustache look crazy. I don't like that. So just got done eating, grubbing. So I'm about to pack up my little fellas and we're gonna get right on the road, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, man, so I gotta catch the range before it get dark. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm heading over to the range now. I'm gonna get with y'all when I get over there, man. Boy, sexy. So I cut my own hair. Like I said, y'all need a cut. Y'all know where I'm at. You fucking get with me. But slide to the range now, and I will get with y'all when I get over there. Alright, man, so we're doing a review on the 22 LR today, man. So we are out at the range. I did have to go back to the house and get some ammunition. But listen, man, doing a test today. We're gonna let some shots off, man. Set up the target, and y'all know it's good, man. Y'all know it's good, man. This thing sexy. Got the other baby in the pants, and my other baby right there. Y'all know what's going on. I'm out here dolo, solo, ocho, cinco, mocho, woco, black cocoa. All right, man.
Marco, you killed this.
Alright, YouTube, man. So, I did something so stupid. I was just so excited. Just rushed out the house, not thinking to grab my ammo box. I do have 2 loaded clips and a few extra rounds, but that's really not enough for like what I wanted to do today. So I might have to go back to the house and come back depending on how I feel. So let me get this target set up and I'm gonna get with y'all. So y'all can see I got the target set up back there. I'm gonna get a few shots off, so y'all just stay tuned. First test, first run. That thing clean, crisp. Yes, sir.
I just put that rubber up.
You did? Got some steel targets down there. Got me some steel targets down there. Thank you.
You killed this.
Oh yeah, my aim like that, Eddie. My aim like that, Eddie. Stop playing. We about to see how my aim is. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I think I got 10 rounds. I got 10 rounds, and we about to see how my aim is. Feel me? 22 LR, F and follow 2. Tactical, you heard? Got 10 rounds. Let's see how many we get on the map. I gotta get my aim right. Feel me? Ten rounds. Let's get it. Chamber empty. I see how your boy did, man. Okay. We getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. You getting there, man. I'm so mad I left my bullets at home. Alright, man. So I gotta run back to the house. That's gonna like another 10-minute drive, then a 10-minute drive back. So I will get with you guys when I get back to the range, man. Alright, man. So I'm pulling back up to the range. I had to go grab me some bullets. Nice little 20-minute damn back. You feel me? So I'm about to get set up. After I'm done pulling up, I'm about to get set up, and y'all just stay tuned. Alright, man, so I'm back out here. So I'm back out here all alone and shit. Gotta watch my 6 out here. I'm in the woods all by myself. Any motherfucker just could come and try to run up on me and shit. So, always gotta stay on my alert. I'm gonna go get this target and shit set up. Once I'm done here, I will get with you guys. Alright, man, so setting up right quick. Looking for my other toy. There she go. So I'm about to show y'all the little setup. So this is what I got with me today. Man. Target set up. We're gonna get some vids in, man. So let's get this 22 all loaded up. Man, I'm really working on my main goal, my main focus is just getting my accuracy and aim right. I say that because it's important, man. When you own a gun, and like I really want to get into like my own type of spec ops. It may sound crazy or funny or whatever, but it's just important if you have a firearm to know how to use it. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm out here. I'm not just out here making my little Instagram reels or YouTube videos. Now I'm really trying to learn how to defend myself and my family, you feel me? I got my girl with me, you feel me? So I gotta know how to use my gun. I can't just be out here, you feel me? A lot of people really don't know how to maneuver or handle a gun properly. So that's why I'm here to show y'all and properly show y'all gun safety is important. So these are my first 10. We working on this target practice, practicing my aim, so. So I'm gonna record this way. Not too bad, man, not too bad. So I'm gonna load up my pistol, then I'm gonna load up my rifle. I'm gonna give my rifle a few shots, a few rounds to go. So I'm gonna load up both of these pistol clips right quick. So when I'm done with this AR, I can just hop right into the pistol. So, feel me, really just working on my accuracy, getting comfortable with the gun, getting my aim right. That's the main focus, getting comfortable to the gun, you know what I'm saying? This will be my everyday carry. I'm getting ready to move to Georgia here soon, so that's like, I gotta be on my shit, you know what I mean? I know it's a 22, but it's all how you maneuver the gun. It don't matter what gun you got, all guns kill, even though that's not what we want to use them for, but sadly, that's the truth. So, but like I said, man, make sure you guys get into gun safety, get into
firearms, I should say, learn how to use them. Don't fear them, learn how to use them. Before I got into firearms, I didn't fear guns, but when I first held a gun, I was fearful when I was holding it. So it took me some time to get comfortable and start maneuvering guns, like how we see them on TV and shit. But I'm getting there, and I need a lot more practice. I'm nowhere near to what you military or soldier guys are doing, but that's the goal. So I got my laser and my light working, so that's good. I'm just gonna put my laser on. Okay, it's on. Yup, it's on. So just gonna put the laser on. About to get this all loaded up, and then I'm gonna get with y'all. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Alright, man, so we're all loaded up, 22 LR. So let's get these sights up. Safety on. Let's get it, man. Locked and loaded. Because my aim is like that. Aiming for that little one. Aiming for that little one over there. If y'all can see. Aiming for. We're out of ammo. Alright, man, so I did get some clips, but they're gonna be vertical. I really was just focusing a lot on my just aiming practice and timing, all that kind of shit. So I'm gonna load up before I get out of here, because you know anything could happen. Even though my torch is loaded up. So my torch is loaded up, so I'm not gonna load up. I'm not gonna load up. My torch is loaded up, so I'm all good. So I'm gonna just get out of here. I definitely have fun with this gun. For the most part, the review on this gun. All right, man. So your boy is heading in, taking it home, man. Taking it home. Today was fun as hell, man. Like I said, man, this gun, you gotta get it. You gotta get it, and it's just another one added to the